Are you a fan of lighthouses? Did you know that an actual lighthouse was a symbol of hope for sailors? If you are a fan of lighthouses, stay tuned. Hi, my name is Lacey Perkins, and I show stay-at-home parents how to contribute to their families financially using effective, simple systems for only 30 minutes a day. Today, I wanted to show you guys our brand new warmer that is coming April 1st. This warmer is called Light Your Way, and it is a perfect lighthouse representation. From the wraparound porch to the multiple windows to even the top little part of the warmer. This warmer is a tin warmer that is whitewashed, and it is gorgeous. So this warmer is a two-part warmer. So this is the top of the warmer that would go on. And inside here is the glass dish that you would add your wax to. Down here is where the light bulb is. Now it comes with a clear bulb, and you can always get a colored bulb for replacement. So this is what it looks like when it is on. How cute is that? So if you are a lighthouse fan like my grandma is, or maybe you grew up in a place where lighthouses were a thing, this is perfect. Maybe you have a lake house, maybe you have beach decor, or maybe you know somebody. This warmer is available for pre-order below in the description for a pre-order, or you can wait until April 1st until it's available to everybody to be 10% off for the month of April. This warmer at 10% off is $58.50. Super cute. For the month of April, the scent is chamomile petals. That is definitely in a floral category. So if you like a floral fresh scent, this is totally up your alley. I always take my bars of wax out and smell them in 3 different places. First, you're going to get the top note scent, and that is the scent that you're going to smell right away. As soon as you open the clamshell, that's the scent that's going to hit your nose. The second scent is called the mid note. That's in the middle of the bar. And yes, they do smell different. So if you are a scenty person, take a bar and smell the 3 different layers. The mid note is the scent that you're going to start when it starts to warm. So as soon as you put the wax in the warmer and turn it on, you're going to start to smell that first scent. And then as it warms, you're going to smell the mid note. And then the base note or the bottom notes are what lingers and what lasts the longest. So this bar is definitely a fresh, florally scent. Now, I'm going to read the scent description to you. This is chamomile petals, jasmine, and apple. Okay. So at first sniff, I definitely get the freshness. I don't really get any, maybe a little bit of the jasmine. That's what I'm smelling. That the mid note is a little bit of a sweetness. So you're going to have a little bit of sweetness as it starts to warm, but the base note is really what's going to linger. And that's the floral, that's the chamomile, and definitely the jasmine going in. Now the scent description did say it had apple. For me, smelling it the 3 ways, top, bottom, top, mid, and bottom, I don't smell it, but that doesn't mean that you won't smell it. So for the month of April, you can get chamomile petals and Light Your Way warmer for 10% off April 1st, or you can pre-order in the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you.